ಏನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
ಸರ್
ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪು?
ಓ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್.
ಓ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಏನಂತ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೋನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ?
ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇಲ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ತಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ.
ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
PBA ಫಸ್ಟ್ PBA.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಅಮೃತ.
The greatest pleasure and privilege of having the principal of the Presidency College, our own person from Karnataka, Bidar. Sir, to you we extend a very warm welcome and thank you very much for having supported a very good life-saving cause. Because
Deep Kumar Shinde, Principal of Presidency College. Presidency College, which is there in the education industry from last 20 years, impart quality education along with social responsibility. We believe that we as an educational institution is having a very big responsibility towards the society. Saying so, we have so many clubs like Eco Club, NSS Club, Rotaract Club. All these clubs trains the students to contribute towards the development of the society. During the pandemic time also, as an institution, we have taken the responsibility of vaccinating the people, giving the food to the people, needy people, so on and so forth. Today, the NSS unit of Presidency College has arranged for a blood donation camp as well as the health camp, which will help the requirement of blood to the needy people. So, we believe that contributing the society is the responsibility of each one of us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
today is a wonderful day, a day of rejoice. Particularly, it's a National Journalism Day. The 17th of November every year, a Journalism Day is observed for the freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of action. And today, in this wonderful, campus of Presidency College, the Bangalore Samarpana Lioness Club has organized a wonderful blood camp wherein large number of students, both girls and boys have come forward to donate blood. And that the COVID pandemic had created so much of problem for every one of us. Patients had to run from pillar to post for every unit of blood. But today, slowly the COVID is coming to control and the colleges are getting open. And as you are aware that the students are the backbone of the blood donation program, we appeal to the universities, to the principals, the program officers to kindly motivate their students, their children to come forward to donate blood. And donating blood is so safe. It's not that you are going to save somebody's life, but it is only in your interest. If you donate blood twice in a year, the risk factor of the cardiac problems reduces by 75 to 80%. The risk of cancer reduces, and then your cholesterol levels come down, and also the iron levels in the body improves in the blood, and old blood goes out and new blood comes in, and through blood you can propagate communal harmony. And not only that, today the human blood is considered as a drug for treatment of diseases. So in that direction, all of you, I appeal to the general public, to the students, to the community to please organize blood camp wherever it is possible. Today the concept is that you need not go to the blood bank. The blood bank is going to come to your doorstep So with this appeal, I pray God and today wish all the students who have donated blood so voluntarily without any compulsion, and I must compliment the principal and the management of the presently college under the leadership of Pachiyappan, who is the NSS program officer. He has given us a wonderful support for the activity. I wish that God bless all of them with good health and wealth and peace of mind. Thank you, friends.
ಈ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮನುಷ್ಯರದ್ದು ಉಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ
ಒಂಚೂರು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತೀರಿ.
ನಾವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರದ್ದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪುಷ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸರಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂದ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಚ್ಚೇಪನ್ ಸರ್ನ ನಾವು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ತುಂಬ ನಮಗೆ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಚ್ಚೇಪನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಭಾಳ
ಅವ್ರ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದನೇ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ
ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ಸು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ 1 ಇಯರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವನ್ ನಮ್ಮಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ತಾವು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಶಿಬಿರ ಏರ್ಪಾಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತಾಯಂದರು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಆ ರಕ್ತದಾನದ ಕಡೆನೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ ನೀನು, ಅವರು ನಿನಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ವೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶ ಏನಿದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಭಾವನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯನೂ ಸುಧಾರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ನಂದು ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳದು ಓ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಅವಳು ಸುಮಾರು ಸತಿ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಸರ್.
ಇವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
So we want that mothers should propagate the message of blood donation. That is our idea.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for all that you have been doing. Solanki, Marathi?
No, Bengali.
Bengali. Okay. What are you studying now?
BA journalism.
Journalism.
Yeah.
Okay. What made you to donate blood today?
My brother got into an accident 1 year back. So at that time he was, in need for blood. So a lot of people donated at that time. So I feel like I should also donate blood.
That's really great. And today, you being a journalism student, I pay respects to you because today is National Journalism Day. 17th of every year is this thing, and keep donating blood. You did not have any fear of getting the prick of the needle. And West Bengal is known for blood donation. They are number 1 in the country. I visit Salt Lake City. Association of Voluntary Blood Donors in West Bengal is number 1 in the country as far as mobilization of blood is concerned. So keep donating blood and make your friends to come and donate blood. Okay? God bless you.
Thank you.
What's your message? Give to other students. Give a message to the students.
That donate blood and save lives. It saves a lot of lives.
Okay.
Motto of NSS itself is not me but you. Okay. Prioritizing others. Okay. So on that ground, we always serve the humanity. Okay. Service to humanity is service to God. That's good. So with that motive, we encourage our students to involve in this kind of social service activities.
You belong to which college?
I am Pachyepan, working as assistant professor in Department of Computer Application, Presidency College. As an additional responsibility, I am NSS officer of the college. We have been organizing this blood donation camps since 2014. we have associated with Lioness Club Sadashiv Nagar, and they have been cooperating very well all these years. And every year 130 plus units of blood mobilized from our college, and our volunteers, our donors are donating blood happily. So because it's for a good cause, it saves lives, lot of lives. So donate blood, save lives. With this motto, all of us are working, and it's a great service. It is really appreciable job, and our students are really need to be appreciated. And giving this opportunity, I should thank the Blood Bank, Lioness Club, and everybody. Thank you.
ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.